One of the major challenges people into e-commerce, dropshipping, and mini importation always face is getting the right product to sell. Hello guys, it's Stanley here. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with us how to source for hot selling products on Facebook. Okay. One of the major challenge those into mini importation, dropshipping, or e-commerce always face is getting the right product to sell. So, guys, if you're among the categories of people that find it difficult to source for hot selling product online, this video is for you because in the next couple of minutes, I'll be sharing with you how you could be able to do this by yourself. You could be able to search for hot selling products, okay, on Facebook, okay. So, I mean, product that can do 5x, product that can do 10x profit for you. You will learn how to do it yourself right here. So, make sure you stick around to the end of this video. Before we proceed, I would want you all to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you've not done so, and put on your notification bell so you'll be among the first persons to see my content whenever it comes live online. So right now, I'll be going straight to my laptop to show you how you could be able to do this by yourself. Alright guys, you come to your browser here, Google Chrome browser, any browser you're using, you search for Facebook Ads Library. Okay, search for Facebook Ad Library. All right, so we're here. We go with this first option here. Okay, we go with the first option. You just have to be patient here. My browser is a little bit slow. Okay, so guys, we are currently on the Facebook ad library. Okay, so now this ad library shows all the ads that are being run on Facebook. Okay, in Nigeria, it shows all the ads that are being run on Facebook in Nigeria. So first thing we're going to do on this page. We scroll down, we come here to change the ads category. We click on all ads, okay? So after that, the next thing we're going to do is to use keywords, okay? We'll be making use of keywords that are commonly used in running Facebook ads, okay? Keywords which most e-commerce store or e-commerce people that run ads on their page normally use. I think they use keywords like free delivery, 50% discount, payment on delivery, and the rest of them. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using the keyword free delivery. Okay, free delivery. Click on enter. Okay. All right. So we're there now. We're going to be seeing a whole lot of adverts displayed here for us. There are a whole lot of adverts here. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do here, we have to search for ads that have been running for quite a long time now. We should be looking for ads that have been running on Facebook for the past 6 months. Okay, that should be our target. Okay, we'll scroll down to look for ads that have been running for a long time. So let's check when. Okay, this ad starts running on January 23rd, 2023. Okay, so platform Facebook. This ad has been running on Facebook, has been running on Instagram, has been running on Audience Network, and also Messenger. Okay, so we have to look for an ad that's been running for a long time, not January this year. You should be looking for ad that's been running since August, September last year. Okay, so let's scroll down and search for them. So now, before I proceed, I would like to talk more on the kind of product we should be looking out here for. Okay, the common products that sell mostly on Facebook are the health products, products that are in the health niche, the fitness niche, and tech products sells a lot, and health product and beauty products sells massively on Facebook. So those are the kind of products you should be looking out for. Product under those niches. Okay, um, let's scroll down. I think the best thing to do here, we are still in January here, so the best thing to do here, we have to narrow our search, okay? We have to narrow it. We'll go to filter, we'll narrow these ads from the dates. So we come here, change this 2018 to 2022. We take it to August. August will be a best. Okay, August last year. Click on 1st of August. Okay. Um, Scroll down here to schedule put. Okay, January. Go to December, which is last year, December 2nd, January. Okay, we have to. Oh, sorry. Drag this to the bottom so we have access to this. We click on apply. So let's wait for it to load. Let's give it a little time so it will load. All right. So I think what is here? This ad started running January. Sorry, December 2nd, December. This ad has been running since 2nd December till date. So now the reason why I backdated this to get ad has been running for a long time is because anyone or the owners of this store, um, for them to continue running this ad since August up to date, it means they have put in a whole lot of money into this advert, and so it's possible that the advert has been paying them. So it has been converting. That's the reason why they're still putting in more money to run this advert for quite a long time. So that's what the secret here. No one spend money on ad that is not converting for almost more than 6 months now. So we need to put any product we're going to see on this page here into consideration. Okay, it could be your next winning product. It could be that product that's going to give you 5x. It could be the next product that's going to give you that 10x you're looking for. Okay, so now anyone that's been running this ad here for the past 6 months up to date, it means it is the product has been converting for them. The ad has been converting for them. So what we're going to do here is to what to duplicate what that person has been doing, and then we use it in doing running our own advert or e-commerce too. Okay, very very important. Okay, so we're going to scroll down. Remember the niches we should be looking into: beauty niche, fitness niche, health niche, and tech. So let's keep scrolling down. So this right, I think I just saw something here. Let me take this to the top. I saw something here now. What's this? Alright, this is a health meal without oil. Okay, this is a blender. Is it a blender? Well, I'm trying to get the name of this product. Okay. Okay, halogen oven. These are not halogen oven. I think these are halogen oven. I think it's used for dry frying or something, deep frying or so. It's also a good product to put into consideration. This is a flat tummy belt or flat tummy, yeah, flat tummy belt. I guess that should be it. It's an AirPod. These are products you should be putting into consideration. Okay. All right. Let's scroll down to see if we can see more products. Okay. This is smartwatch. A smartwatch. So you can consider getting a smartwatch or running ads for a smartwatch for your products. Okay. This is what. Let me get the product name. This is the device that jumpstart car. Okay. If your battery is low, I think jumpstart for low battery and it's portable. I think this is a good product to put into consideration too. Because I think, yeah, I don't think we it should be very important product here. Most car owners will need this product. Okay, so put this into consideration too. Okay, this is a blender. You shouldn't look out for product that could be easily found in any store around you. You should be getting unique products that provide solution. Okay, so I'll be going with this product here, this jump starter. I'll be going with that product, jump starter. Okay, which other product are we going for? See, there are a whole lot of product we could actually get from this method. Okay, we can get a whole lot of product here using this same method I'm just using here. So I don't want you all to just watch this video and leave here. I want you to watch and practice what you've just seen me doing here. Okay, using this method, you could get your next winning product. That product that you've been looking for to give you that profit, that massive profit. you could get it here. So make sure you use this method to source for hot selling products. Okay, this is one of the methods I use to search for hot selling products whenever I plan running an advert on any e-commerce product. First thing I do here, I come here to look for a winning product. Then after that, I will go and source for those products and test one to know which will go well for me. Okay, this method is working. This method has been working for a very long time and it is going to continue working. So, guys, make sure you put it into consideration and make sure you take your time to search for the product here. Don't be in a hurry. Just take your time and search for the product here, and hopefully, you will get your winning product using this method. Okay. So if you followed all my instructions in the video today, you'll be getting one or two winning products that will do that 5x, 10x profit for you. Okay. So if you got value from this video today, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you've not done so, and then put your notification bell so you get notified whenever I post similar content. So guys, see you in the next video.